Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to model a 3D pen in Blender. So let's dive in. So I will start with new scene and we will press A, select everything and then press delete. From here I will right click, vertical split. I will have this window. I will change it to image editor and then I will drag my reference. And then I will press Shift A and then we will need to add a cylinder and maybe 0.1. Okay, so now I will go in the edit mode. So from here, object mode, edit mode, and I will go to select mode, face mode. And from here, I will press I on the keyboard for insert. Or you can press here in insert faces. So again I will press E to extrude inside and then I to insert and then extrude out like this. So we are doing this part. Then I will go here, I will select this face and maybe press Z and maybe I will make it this length. Again I will press I. Let me change for you, let's change it to this mode so you can see it better. Okay, so from here I will press A to extrude and then press S to scale it down like this. Okay, and then again I to insert and then extrude little bit and then extrude and then S, and we can do the tip like this. Okay, we are going to smooth some parts. So with Alt key pressed, select on this edge and then press Ctrl B to bevel. And then let's do it this way maybe, and then I can do the same thing for these hard edges. Okay, maybe here, sorry, here and here and here, or we can leave this one. So again press Shift to unselect it and then Ctrl B and maybe choose 2 segments. Okay, and then we can add some supporting edge loop. So we will select this part, Ctrl B and just one, this time just one segment, and then I will select this face from here and then Ctrl B and maybe we can add 3 segments. Okay, now now we have this shape. Now we want to do this part. I will select loop cut and add one loop cut there. I will move it up. Again I will select this and click one time and we will change the number of cuts to something like this. And then with this edges loop cut selected, I will press Shift and Alt to select this one also, and then we will press Ctrl B to bevel it like this, and then I will move to the face mode, right click, extrude faces along normal. So it will go, it will follow the normal. So we need to go inside, something like this, just to have that feeling. Now let's do right click, shade smooth, and then from here, from the modifier, I can add bevel. So 0.1 to segments, and then I will add a subdivision surface to make it smooth and to make it to adjust the quality. Now I will press on numpad 1 and then Shift A to add a cube, press S to scale it down, and press Z to move it here. Maybe we can scale it down a little bit. So let me say something. In modeling there is so many ways to do this shape, so I'm trying to do something easier for you, okay? But I mean, you can add some loop cut here and extrude it, but I want to do it this way. So let's put it there, and I will go to edit mode, and then I will use the loop cut, and then I will select this face. Again, I will extrude it, let's say like this, and then I will add another loop cut, Ctrl R, and what we can do, I will press double G and move it like this, and then with the movement tool, let's do it this way, and we can do it like this, and let me select this loop cut and double Z and move it more like this, and then Ctrl B to bevel, and we will add some loop cuts, something like this. As you can see, it's very thick, so we can move it like this, and also we can select this part, sorry, and this part, and we can drag it like this. It's not the perfect shape, but it's working. Now I will select the face mode and maybe move it like this. Again, I will go to edge mode like this, Ctrl B, and we can reduce the beveling. I can use the proportional editing in order to affect, let me reduce it, something like 0.1, maybe more, so 0.6, yep. And now I can adjust the whole thing. Maybe we can reduce the size on the x-axis, so I will press S and then A and then Y. Okay, now I will adjust this part. I will select this edge and do some beveling like this, and press C for clamp. Now we can right click shade smooth. Again, I will add a bevel 0.01 to segments. Again, subdivision surface, level 2 levels, and now we have our 3D pen. Now I will split the screen, horizontal split, and then let's change this to shader editor. I will press new, let me hide this, and then we can change it to black, and let me change the rendering here to viewport shading. This is our pen. We can adjust the roughness, something like this, and then I will apply the same material here. So you need to click here and choose this material, and we can add another material here, like more reflective. So what we can do, I will go to edit mode and go to face mode and press on alt key, and then I can add another material. So we'll go here, material, I will click on plus, new, and assign. So like that. It will be assigned. I will add another loop cut in order to adjust it here, and another loop cut here. Okay, as you can see, this part is becoming white. I will go to this material. This time again I can select the same color, and then we can make it more reflective like this. So maybe 0.2. And now we can add another material for this tip. Press new, and I will press on 3 face mode, select everything here. I will press numpad 0 to go closer, this one, and maybe Ctrl plus numpad, and then we can select this material and then assign it. Now from here, with this selected, I can select this color and maybe pick this one, and I will adjust the roughness. Maybe we can change it to metallic one, and I think we are good to go. Of course, you can change this material to something reflective. Let me go back here. So this is the reflective material, material 2. I can change the material to material 2, so it will be more reflective like this. And that's it. You've just modeled your first 3D model in Blender. If you found this tutorial helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.